Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the sheets on your Google Sheet PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to delete the sheets on your Google Sheet PC or website. So just opening a blank document here to show how to delete the sheets. So I just opening blank document. So you can see if you need to add sheet, you just click on this plus symbol. I just added up 5 sheets. Now I just don't need a second sheet and also the third sheet, so I just want to delete it. You just want to click on the sheet first, then click on this top menu, and you will see a lot of options. Here the first option I just talking about, click on the delete option, which will be delete, or you sure want to delete this sheet, yes, okay. And if you mistakenly deleted a sheet, don't worry, you just can undo this option. In some of the softwares they don't allow us to undo the sheet if you delete it, but here it's happening. You can just undo the option while you're deleting. This is how you just delete the sheets on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.